Where do we start with this? What an amazing find this really is. It's an incredible find. BMW 530d M Sport in carbon black metallic. Absolutely incredible find, as I mentioned. £8,390 of factory fitted options with just 23,565 miles. Wow, 23,565 miles. Absolutely beautiful. Carbon black, it's got a hint of blue to it. It is gorgeous, fabulous to drive. Really is an incredible car. Superb specification. Let's show you all the way around it. Obviously a massive boot on these cars, huge. Look at that space there, enormous. Beautifully clean, not been abused in any way. No damage, no marks in there. Tons of storage under the cover there. All the loading area nice and clean. Electric boot opening, rear spoiler. So when the sun just catches it, as I mentioned, there is a hint of blue to it, although it's called carbon black. Rear parking sensors, cameras all the way around. Gleaming away. It's got a smooth 3-litre engine, 8-speed automatic gearbox, 241 brake horsepower, so certainly a bit of a mover on there. All the wheels in great condition, no sort of chunks knocked out any of these. Good tyres all the way around, all down the sides of the bodywork. Just beautiful. And we do the video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing is left to chance. It's almost like you walking around the car with me from the comfort of your home. So get a close-up of the near side wheel. Again, as you can see, beautiful all the way around. That's the front cameras, front parking sensors. A real good close-up of the front end. Registered in 2010 on a 60 plate. Just beautiful. Obviously, due to the age, you're going to get the odd 1 or 2 stone chips, but there's nothing major damage at all whatsoever. It really is a incredible car that's been very well cherished. The list of options is all on the website, with all the factory fitted options, which amounts to just over £8,390. Just look at it, absolutely gorgeous. The last owner bought it when it was about 9 months old, but cherished it all the way through. And there's the final wheel and the tyre. Again, showing you no damage to those whatsoever. Let's take you inside it. All the door trims, great condition. You can't believe this is 2010. All the door edges, full black leather upholstery, lots of space in there. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Rear centre armrest, additional storage and cup holders in there. Again, all the driver's door trims. No damage to the sills where you're getting it out. Just absolutely fabulous all the way around. Of course, front support seats, electric seat adjustment. Just look at those seats, look at the condition of those. Just beautiful. Those seats do really hug you in. They are great. Leather multifunction steering wheel. Keyless start. And there's the mileage, 23565. That's so it's done, 23565, 2010 vehicle. Of course, paddle shift gear change, cruise control speed limiter, stereo modes on there.
Radio.
Radio menu.
FM.
FM.
Radio 2.
Radio menu.
Voice activation makes it a little bit easier.
Help or voice commands.
Help.
To hear the voice commands in the table displayed, say voice commands. To obtain general information on voice inputs, say help with voice input. To hear important short commands with examples, say help with examples.
Navigation.
Navigation. You can say help.
Just makes it easier and safer to get through the menu without even having to touch any of the buttons. Just simply voice activation. Nice big clear screen. Of course, you've got satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone connection, onboard computer. Great stereo system on the vehicle. Cameras all the way around. Shows you exactly where the vehicle position is. Makes it very easy for parking. As you can see, the car moving position. The cameras all around. Full visibility all the way around. You can adjust the angle of the cameras as well to show you the two cameras at the rear. CD system, dual zone climate control. Adjustable sport suspension. Just go Sport Plus, Sport, Normal, to get the car exactly how you want to drive it. Very clever menu to navigate around. Check the service history on there. Full breakdown of when the service is due, when the brake pads need replacing. All nice and clear. rear centre armrest, great storage in there. So there we have it, our very unique BMW 530d M Sport with just 23,000 miles in absolutely fabulous condition. 2-owner car, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Just listen to this beautiful smooth engine. Just nicely purring along. And again, all the entrances, the door jambs, all the sills, all the way around, in great condition. What more can we tell you about the car? The car really does speak for itself. Hope we've showed you every single part of it on this video. However, we're more than happy to send you a personalised video if there's any aspects that we've missed off it. This really is a very unique find with such low mileage, the specification and the condition. Any further information, please give us a call. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process with full transparency, with a full HD video walk around to give you the comfort and the assurance to buy this car from your sofa. Also at the end of the phone, 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. So if you don't want to miss this beauty, click and reserve off our website 24/7.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.